Hi children, welcome to Grade 6 Maths class. Today we are going to discuss algebra as generalization, that is in the field of geometry and arithmetic. So in last class we discussed what is meant by algebraic expression and how to form algebraic expression. So today we can see how algebra is used in geometry and in arithmetic. So look at the picture. It is a picture of a square. So, you know what is the perimeter of a square? Yes, the formula of perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of its side. So let us assume the length of a side is x centimeter. So a square has four sides. So each side has x centimeter. So to form the formula of perimeter of square, you have to add the sum of the length of its side. So x plus x plus x plus x is 4x. So in this, x is the variable which represents the length of the side of the square. So perimeter of the square of side having length x centimeter is 4x centimeter. So, any mathematical formula can be generalized to variables. So, in this, to find out the perimeter of a square, we assumed a variable x and find out. So, this is how algebra is used in geometry. And second example, to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So, we know that a rectangle has length and breadth. So, to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, we assume the length as the variable L and the breadth as the variable B. So, to find out the perimeter, we know that we should calculate the sum of the length and breadth. So, L plus B plus L plus B. So first you have to rearrange the variables. So first writing the L and next we are adding the variable B. So L plus L becomes 2L and B plus B becomes 2B. Now we are regrouping the number 2 outside by writing 2 into bracket of L plus B. So already we have discussed in multiplication we can omit the sign. So we can write it as 2 into L plus B. Hence, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So in this, 2 is the constant and L plus B is the variable used. And next topic is arithmetic. So now we are going to discuss how algebraic expression, that is variables, are used in arithmetic. Look at the table. We are going to see some properties. So the first property is commutative property of addition. So we know that addition property is a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, by using the value of a as 2 and b as 3, we can write as 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So in this, we have used the variables a and b, and the constants are 2 and 3. And second property, commutative property of multiplication. So a into b is equal to b into a. Similarly, the example 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. And third property is associative property of addition. So associative property means adding 3 or more numbers. So a plus bracket of b plus c is equal to bracket of a plus b plus c. So in this property we have used three variables, namely a, b and c. So assume the value of a is 2 and b is 3 and c is 4. We get the example as 2 plus bracket of 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. And fourth property is associative property of multiplication. So A into bracket of B into C is equal to bracket of A into B into C. So the example is 2 into bracket of 3 into 4 is equal to bracket of 2 into 3 into 4. And fourth property is distributive property, as we discussed on chapter 2, that is multiplication over addition. A into bracket of B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So by writing the property using numbers, 2 into bracket of 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So already we know the arithmetic properties, right? Yes. So by using the algebraic expression, that is the variables A, B, C, now we have seen the table of properties. Okay, children. So today we have discussed how algebraic expressions are used in geometry to find out the formulas and also in arithmetic equations. Okay. Today your classwork part will be on your concept book to practice on 4 in page number 81. Also, your homework part will be on your workbook to question number 9, 11 and 14 in page number 59 and 60. Complete your homework on time and hand in Google Classroom app grade 6 Maths. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.